Today we're checking out the best rollerblades of 2025, from high-performance adult skates to flashy, fun options for kids. I've included links in the description so you can grab any of these without wasting time. Let's dive in. Starting off with a classic, the Rollerblade Zetrablade is perfect for guys who want a smooth, stable ride without breaking the bank. These skates are built with a solid frame that handles outdoor surfaces really well and comes with breathable padding so your feet don't get sweaty or tired after long rides. The wheels are aligned for precision, which makes them great for fitness skating or casual rides around your neighborhood. Honestly, if you're looking for comfort, durability, and reliability, Zetrablade hits the sweet spot. Check the description for the link to grab yours. It's definitely worth a try. For the ladies, the Super Youngsters women's adjustable inline skate is a real winner. First off, it's adjustable, which is perfect if your feet are still growing or if you want to share the skates with a friend. The straps lock your feet in securely and the wheels glide smoothly so you don't feel like you're wobbling all over the place. Whether you're doing some fitness skating, taking a casual stroll through the park, or just want to have some fun, these skates feel super comfortable and supportive. Don't just take my word for it. Check the link in the description and see for yourself. If you're a bit more serious about your skating, the COSMOID men's fitness inline skate is perfect for outdoor adventures. These are professional-style skates designed for streets and parks, giving you excellent stability and control even on uneven surfaces. The padding is comfy enough for long rides, and the build feels solid, so you're not worried about wear and tear after a few weeks. Beginners will love the support, and intermediate skaters will appreciate the precision. I've put the link in the description. These are great for anyone who wants to level up their skating game. Time to add some fun for the younger skaters. The two PM Sports Vinyl Girls. Adjustable skates light up with every step, which makes skating way more exciting for kids. The adjustable sizing is handy because kids grow fast and the wheels glide smoothly so they can learn confidently without feeling wobbly. These are perfect for parks, family outings, or just riding around with friends. Plus, the lights make evening skating safer and way more fun. Check the description for the link and let the kids light up the streets. Finally, the PAPAISON adjustable inline skates are a great all-rounder if you want something for the whole family. They're fully adjustable, have light-up wheels, and are suitable for boys, girls, men, and women. Whether it's your first time skating or you're already comfortable on blades, these skates are super easy to get used to. Outdoor sessions, casual fun, or even a mini family race, these handle it all. Don't wait, grab your pair via the description link and get rolling with the whole crew. So there you have it, the best rollerblades for 2025. From performance-focused adult skates to flashy, fun options for kids, there's something here for everyone. All of the links are in the description, so you can check them out, compare, and grab the perfect pair for yourself or your family. Time to hit the streets, parks, or trails and roll into the new year in style.